So here's a little backstory before I begin my skin care routine. I had a CO2 laser done to my face last week. This is actually my third laser done. I have acne scarring right here in the cheek area. So my gal Allura, she went deeper this time just to really target those deeper acne marks. I believe I am a week out today. Yeah, I had it done last Thursday. So today's Thursday, and what I've been doing is just taking really good care of my skin, being very gentle. After you have this type of procedure, you don't want to put a lot of products on. They will burn. They will burn your face. Just go very, very easy, very gentle. So what I have done, I have Osmosis. It's one of my favorite brands. It is a brand that supports recovery, or I guess when you're going through cancer, your skin gets, or radiation, your skin gets really sensitive. And my skin is just really sensitive in general. I put 2 squirts. Usually you could probably do 1. But I am doing my neck because I got this. She got me good. So, I have it down there, and I will just apply the product, and it just feels so nice because my skin is kind of hot. And it will kind of get red. My face has always been more sensitive. It doesn't burn at all. I got hair on my face. And that's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to put any more on. I don't want to irritate my skin anymore. One thing I am going to do, which you should never forget, it is the Skin Medica. I'm going to put some of that on my face. I'm going to put 2 big squirts. And this is SPF. It is SPF 47. It's clear. I like it clear because I'm going to be putting some IT Cosmetics on my face to cover up the redness, because I have a few places I have to go today, and I don't want to stand out or cause any attention. Oh, a little bit. Sometimes that happens. So there we go. Got a little bit of my hair. It's fine. I'm gonna put it on my neck. Don't forget your neck. It's so important, especially after you have these procedures. In fact, just because you have sunscreen on does not mean that you can just go run around in the sun. Don't. You should stay out of the sun. Even in your house, your windows. Not everybody's windows are UV protected. So UV rays are coming in and they are getting your skin. I also put it on my hands. I've been putting it on my hands since I was 20. I am 44. I just got out of the shower, so I don't have any jewelry on. So let's get to my makeup of choice. My makeup of choice is IT Cosmetics. So this shade is a little darker, and this shade is a little lighter. Oops, there we go. This is an illuminating one. It's a little bit lighter coverage. This one's a little bit more just regular consistency, kind of on maybe the little bit. I wouldn't say medium. It's light medium. You can build it up, and that's what I love about this. So I am going to place it on my sponge. I've wet it. I will put that much on with the illuminating. And this is the color neutral, medium neutral. And then I have a light neutral that I'm just going to put on too. And I'm going to mix it because I like the consistency of both, and then the color together. right now. It just kind of blends in a little bit better with my skin. The way it is right now, it's red, it's irritated, and the least you do to your skin, just put sunscreen on after you have these done. It Cosmetics does not burn my face. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin, which I like, because now that I've gotten older, I don't want to wear a lot of makeup. I want just a nice natural coverage on my face. And if I'm not covering every little spot, I'm really not too worried about it. I'm okay with my skin being like it is right now. And then if I need more, I put a little more on. I don't put a lot on. I don't want it really thick. I just put a couple of each more, and then I'll go down to my neck. Because right now, my neck looks irritated and red. And I don't want to get my shirt. I should have put a different shirt on, but it's just so quick and easy. I don't fuss with a lot of contour right now. And even when my face is normal and clean and doesn't have redness, but it does have redness because I do have hyperpigmentation. I do have a little tiny bit of melasma, just a little tiny bit, not a lot. If you do have melasma, you do not want to get the CO2 laser. I'm going to maybe take that back because I don't think that they would have did it if I did have melasma. I thought maybe I had melasma. I don't know, but I must have not have. I'm going to take that back. Because otherwise, I don't think they're going to want to do it because melasma gets darker. I think my skin is just really uneven. But a lot of these products that I will introduce to you later on will hopefully, like I have Dermology. This is a hydrofader. After my skin helps itself by clearing up a little bit, I'm going to incorporate this again. And I've only been using it for a couple months. I'll have to check the exact date. When you want to get a result from a product, you need to be really consistent on using a product to see, hey, did this work? Did it not work? So I'm not worried about it being perfect, but I mean, this looks so good. I'm so happy. I found a foundation early on that I just adored and loved. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows and kind of finish up, and I'll be right back.